Now me like it, me like it, like it, like it. Me like it, like it, like it. 두근두근두근. 이상하게 생각해도 어쩔 수 없어 가슴이가. You might want shake it, shake it. 지기 싫어. You might want shake.
Hi guys,
I'm Kentaya.
I'm Taylor.
And we are GlamwithT&K.
Today we showed you how to make these DIY K-pop notebooks.
Yes. They're beautiful, aren't they?
If you like these videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe and hit that like button.
Yeah, we hope you enjoy it and on to the video.
Bye.
So for this notebook, we're starting off with a Blackpink notebook. We're just taking some Mod Podge and laying that down for a base for our paper. I cut out 2 pieces of paper, one in pink and one in black, and I laid the black one on top of the pink. So the last step for this notebook was to add the pictures. I added a picture of the girl and a saying, and I glued that down to the notebook and went over with a layer of Mod Podge to seal everything in.
Pull up. 조심하라고 사랑은 마치 불장난 같아서 다치니까 엄마 말이 꼭 맞을지도 몰라 널 보면 내 맘이 뜨겁게 달아올라 두려움보다 널 향한 끌림이 더 크니.
So for this notebook, I wanted the pictures to have a filtered look. So I went on Pinterest and typed in VSCO cam filters and went for a more grungy vintage theme. But they have a bunch you can choose from. This notebook is inspired by the Candy Pop cover. I found this image online and I cut it down to size and I placed it on the front of the notebook. Next, I cut out a picture of each one of the members from TWICE and I'm gluing that onto the notebook. So I'm gluing on some letters to spell the words Candy Pop. And I made this image on Fonto. I think the font is called Candy Cane. To seal everything in this time, instead of taking Mod Podge, I'm taking some clear packing tape. This is a good alternative if you don't have or if you don't want to use Mod Podge. Last, we have this BTS notebook. So I took some black construction paper and a white color pencil. I'm drawing a grid pattern on the paper. So next, I cut off some letters to spell BTS, and this is in the font either Meltdown or Meltdown here. I'm going to be gluing these onto the notebook and then filling that in with some more clear packing tape. We hope you guys enjoyed these DIY notebooks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Bye!
Baby, 난